this is Johan Nash, and we're with Dr. Fields, and he's an expert in PRP and prolotherapy. Now, we're going to ask Dr. Fields, why is he the best doctor for you?
I'm both a board-certified medical physician and chiropractor, actually only one of a handful in the United States with both those certifications. And I've been doing orthopedic medicine, non-surgical orthopedics now for over 25 years.
And what are the types of people that you work with, and how have you helped them?
I see a lot of people who've been told that surgery is the only option. Occasionally we have people who have been told that surgery cannot even help them. Their joint is too far gone. And there are people who just don't even want to consider surgery at all. I see a lot of knees, people who have arthritic knees, or people who have torn meniscus, or people just have pain in their knees when they do certain sports. Doesn't always have to be sports. There's sometimes grandparents who just want to play with their grandchildren. Basically, there's not a joint. I treat feet, toes, ankles, elbows. If there's a joint in the body and it has some sort of dysfunction. So both prolotherapy and PRP are non-surgical techniques to fix weakened, torn, or damaged ligaments and tendons and get joints to heal themselves.
You also teach this, is that right?
Yes. I'm one of the lead instructors with the Hackett Hemwall Foundation, which is based out of the University of Wisconsin Medical School. I help teach a course there every year, and we also take about 75 doctors from around the world to Honduras every year to treat people, but we teach these doctors the techniques in prolotherapy, and we have 3 clinics there, and I'm actually the director of one of the clinics down in Honduras every year.
This man knows his stuff, this doctor. Athletes like Kobe Bryant, multi-millionaires who their cities depend on, are using PRP, and their blood is healing itself. There's injections. Please explain to our viewers about this as well.
Well, yes, Kobe Bryant, Tiger Woods, many other famous athletes have used this. Basically, PRP is what we call an advanced, or PRP prolotherapy is an advanced form of prolotherapy. What we do when we need a very concentrated amount of platelets, as opposed to letting your body attract it, we pull blood out of your own body, spin it down, and extract out the platelets in the plasma. That's why PRP is platelet-rich plasma. And then we re-inject that back into smaller areas, such as an elbow or a knee or an ankle or sometimes a hip, when we need more concentrated platelets in an area.
Go to Germany or Canada for this. You can come right here to Dr. Fields. He's in Santa Monica. He claims to be the athletic doctor. Please tell us, what makes you so athletic? Even though I heard that you came back from a back injury that was really bad, it was really horrific, and you still claim to be the athletic doctor?
12 years ago, my back went out tremendously. I had an MRI. I showed it to 3 neurosurgeons who all agreed that without surgery, my athletic days were over and I'd have even trouble walking. I found out about this wonderful technique. I got treated. I've done 8 what are called 70.3 or half Ironman triathlons. Last November, I did a full Ironman triathlon. That's a 2.4 mile swim, a 112 mile bike, and then a full marathon, 26.2 miles, all on that back, which was told not to have surgery anymore. So I am known as the athletic doc, and a lot of people like the fact that I understand athletics, and I know what it takes to get back out there and keep yourself in the game.
Yes, and Ironman is no joke. He's not on the golf course, athletic doc. He's a real Ironman, no joke, in the water. I walked to his office. I saw a picture of this cut, fit guy who was going through the Ironman, the circle, and I didn't even know that was the doctor. I thought, who was this? So he definitely is the real deal. You have a plaque in your waiting room, and my wife almost cried when she saw it, and it was dedicating your practice to your parents. And I think not only being an athletic doctor and having so much knowledge and being so qualified, but you also care about your parents, and you dedicate it. And I thought, I've never seen that before.
Well, my parents have been very, very wonderful to me and very special in my life. My father has passed away 8 years ago. Fortunately, I still have my mom, but they always encouraged me. Even when I decided to go back to medical school, after being in practice as a chiropractor for 7 years, they felt that if this is what I wanted to do and this was my dream, that I should continue to pursue it, so that I have this plaque in my office dedicating my practice to my parents and their love and encouragement that they always gave me.
Okay, I'm convinced. Before you have that expensive, risky surgery, please come in and see Dr. Fields. Check out his website.
And again, yes, if anybody wants to see me, I'm in Santa Monica, California. Again, it's drfields.com, and the phone number is an easy one. Even I can remember it at 310 453-1234. Thank you very much for having me here today.
All right, and thank you for watching. This is Johan signing off.